There's basically two parks down here, which is the plaza where I'm sitting, and then the bowl section. There's no in between, so there's not a lot of lines down here, and a lot of people that skate this can't skate that. There's not a whole lot for beginners down here.
I've been skating the park here with my friends for my whole life, enjoying the park, and we just have been trying to reach out. We want to show how important it is, the park, and show that we want to do more and try to help out with either cleaning the park more or adding on ourselves.
It's a really fun park, but it's a really tough park. So if you're trying to learn transition, they're pretty steep transition down here. So if you haven't done it before, it's a little gnarly. So it's a really good park that we have, but it could have, it's got so much potential to be better, where we could have like a really good thriving DIY down here with like more to offer.